Welcome to Rustbuster's installation guide for Chevy GMC's 2001 to 2010 Silverado and Sierra 2500 HD. Before we begin, if you're uncomfortable with any of the processes listed in this guide, we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you're following all the manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery and inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Prepare or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazards. Step 2. Our part features a perforated plate that you can remove to fit over your existing middle cab mount. If you decide to keep your middle cab mount, remove the plate at this time. If not, remove your middle cab mount and any obstructions in the work area. Step 3. With an 18mm socket and wrench, remove the hold-down strap located under your middle cab mount and set it aside. Cut out the rivets located next to your middle cab mount, followed by punching out the holes using a punch. Then, grind the frame free of rust and debris, revealing bare metal. Spray the work area with a weld-through primer to help prevent against rust development. Step 4. Cut out the perforated plates located on the underside of your frame section to fit over your existing bracket and transmission crossmember. Then, slide your mid-frame section onto the frame and tap it into place with a hammer. Use the frame holes to help with the alignment. You can C-clamp your part into place to ensure a tight fit. Then, following proper welding procedures, tack weld your mid-frame section onto the frame before welding it on fully. Step 5. Before reinstalling your cab mount, reinstall your hold-down strap with an 18mm socket and wrench. Then, reinstall your middle cab mount using the installation videos from our YouTube channel. With a 15mm socket and wrench, install the included hardware where the rivets you removed were originally located. Finally, paint the part with primer or other rust inhibitor to help prevent or reduce the risk of rust formation. We recommend our Rustbuster Rust Converter and Primer Spray Paint. Then you're done!